Hi, welcome to another beautiful episode on the Judo channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at new ways to earn money in cryptocurrencies, from trading to buying and holding, to staking and farming, mining, airdropping, gaming and NFT. We will also share a reliable platform where you can get started. While cryptocurrency is a relatively recent concept, it offers boundless opportunities, creating new jobs and making people wealthy. Don't be left out. Kindly watch through this video and pick the segment that best fits you. Did you know that Bitcoin has dominated as the best performing asset in the year 2010, 2013, 2017, 2019, 2020, 2021, and 2023? It has propelled many individuals to wealth, such as Changpeng Zhao, popularly known as CZ, Vitalik Buterin, Michael Saylor, and many others. If this is true, I feel it is high time we give heed to this topic. We will discuss this and many more in this video, so sit back, relax, and let's dive into this interesting topic. But before we proceed, kindly pause for a moment. Do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing to this channel for more educative content on business, finance, history, science, and tech. So, making money from cryptocurrency involves various strategies, each with its own level of risk and required expertise. Here are some common methods. Method 1. Buying and holding. Buying and holding means purchasing cryptocurrency and keeping it for a long time, hoping its value will increase. Imagine you buy a watch that you believe will be more valuable in the future. Instead of playing with it right away, you keep it safe. Over time, if many people want that watch, its value goes up. Similarly, with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you buy them and hold them until waiting for their value to rise. For example, if you buy one Bitcoin for $17,000 by January 2023 and hold it for a few months and sell it in May 2024 when its price is $65,000, by selling it in May 2024, you will make a profit of $48,000. The key is patience and believe that the value will increase over time. So now, two reliable platforms where you can buy and hold cryptocurrency. 1. Coinbase. Coinbase is user-friendly and great for beginners. You can buy various cryptocurrencies and hold them securely in your Coinbase account. It is easy to use with clear instruction and good security features. 2. Binance. Binance offers many cryptocurrencies and is known for its low fees. You can buy and hold your asset in Binance Secure Wallet. It also provides additional tools and features for those who want to learn more about trading. Method 2. Trading cryptocurrencies. Trading cryptocurrencies means buying and holding them to make a profit. Think of it like trading Pokemon card. You buy a card when it is not very expensive and sell it when it becomes more valuable. With cryptocurrencies, you do something similar, but with digital coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Solana, Shiba Inu, and many others. Here is how it works. You start by buying a cryptocurrency when its price is low. For example, if Bitcoin is priced at $10 and you buy it, if the price goes up to $12 and you sell it, the difference between your buying price, which is $10, and your selling price, which is $12, which would be $2, is your profit. Sometimes you can also make money if the price goes down. This is called shorting. You borrow and sell a coin at a higher price and then buy it back at a lower price to return it, keeping the difference. Trading requires paying attention to price changes and making quick decisions. It is like a game where you need to watch the market closely and act fast. A reliable platform for trading cryptocurrency is Binance. Binance is one of the largest and most trusted crypto exchange. It offers many tools to help you trade, like charts to see the price change and options to set buy and sell limits. It is a great place to start trading and potentially make money. Method 3. Staking and yield farming. Staking and yield farming are like putting your money in a savings account, but for cryptocurrency. Instead of you holding your crypto, you can also earn more crypto. So, staking, when you stake your crypto, you lock it up in a wallet to support the network operation. In return, you earn reward like interest in a bank. For example, if you stake 10 coins, you might earn 1 extra coin over time. So, yield farming. Yield farming is a bit more complex. You lend your crypto to others through special platform, and in return, you earn reward. It is like loaning money to a friend and getting paid back with interest. Yield farmers move their crypto around different platforms to get the highest return. 3 reliable platforms where you can stake or yield farm are: 1. Kraken. Kraken offers staking with good return and is known for its strong security features. 2. Binance. Binance offers both staking and yield farming with various cryptocurrency. It's user-friendly and secured. By using this platform, you can make your crypto work for you and earn more over time. Method 4. Mining cryptocurrencies. Mining cryptocurrency is like digging for gold, but instead of using shovel, you use your computer. Your computer solves complex math problem, and when it finds the right answer, you get rewarded with new coin. This process helps keep the cryptocurrency network secure and running smoothly. To start mining, you need special hardware like a powerful computer and software. Your computer works hard, and in return, you earn a coin. For example, if you mine Bitcoin and you get rewarded with Bitcoin for your work, the more powerful your computer, the more problem it can solve, and the more reward you can earn. So now, 3 successful projects that have given high value token to miners. 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency. Miners have earned high value Bitcoin, which have become very valuable over time. 2. Ethereum. Ethereum is another popular cryptocurrency. Miner gets rewarded with Ether, the network's token, which is also highly valuable. 3. Litecoin. Litecoin is similar to Bitcoin, but faster. Miner earn Litecoin, which have also become quite valuable. Method 5. Airdrop and Fox. Airdrop is like a surprise gift. Sometimes cryptocurrency project gives away free coin or token to people to promote their project. To get this airdrop, you usually need to hold a specific cryptocurrency or sign up for a giveaway. For example, if you hold Bitcoin, a new project might send you some of their new coin for free. You can then sell this coin for money or hold them, hoping their value increase. So now, fork. A fork happens when a cryptocurrency splits into 2 separate ones. This can occur for technical reason or disagreement within the community. If you hold a cryptocurrency that undergoes a fork, you might end up with new coin from their new branch. For example, if Bitcoin forks into Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, you will get an extra amount of Bitcoin Cash for the Bitcoin you hold. So now let's look at 3 coins that has participated in this airdrop activity. 1. Uniswap. Uniswap gave away free unit token to users who have used their platform before a specific date. Some users receive token worth thousands of dollars. 2. Stellar. Stellar has conducted several airdrops distributing XLM token to promote their network. EOS. EOS distributed free token to Ethereum holder during their initial launch phase. So, by participating in airdrop and fork, you can get free crypto token which can be sold or held for potential profit. So, here are some key considerations before starting your journey into cryptocurrency. 1. Consider security. Always use reputable exchange and wallet. Be cautious of scam and phishing attacks. 2. Regulation. Be aware of the legal status of cryptocurrency in your country and comply with any regulations. 3. Education. Continuously educate yourself about cryptocurrency markets and terminologies. 4. Risk management. Only invest what you can afford to lose and diversify your investment to spread risk. So, in conclusion, any money in cryptocurrency can be exciting and rewarding because cryptocurrency are digital coins that can be traded or invested in to make a profit. One way to earn money is by buying and selling this coin. You can buy them at a low price and sell when the price goes up. Another way is through mining, where you can use special computers to solve complex puzzles and earn coin as a reward. Staking is also popular. It involves holding a certain amount of coin in your wallet to support the network, and in return, you get more coin. Lastly, some people earn money by participating in airdrop, where they receive free coin just for being part of a community. Each method has its own risk and reward, but with the right knowledge, you can turn your interest in crypto into a profitable venture. In closing, do your own research and further studies, as the information provided in this video is not sufficient to make anyone a pro overnight. Kindly get educated in this crypto world and watch out for videos on cryptocurrency. I can guarantee you that this knowledge will pay off sooner or later. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this series. If yes, do not forget to like, subscribe and also share this page with a friend. Feel free to drop in the comment section your question and feedback or any video you would love us to cover next. My name is Phillips. See you in the next video.